What is up, everyone? Welcome to another video on the Roblox channel. In this episode, Midnight Chasers has just had an update, or fairly recently had an update. I'm not exactly sure when it was, but these are the new cars in the game. You've got these two limited cars, which I'm not going to buy. They're way too expensive for me. But we have these three new cars. I'm pretty sure this one's just a remodel, but these two I'm pretty sure are just completely new. So they look quite good. So I'm just going to buy both of them. I now have like no money. I don't know how. I think I just kept buying more cars, but let's just buy both of the cars and see how they look, how they perform. I'm not going to be able to mod them because, well, I low-key have no money in this game anymore. Although if I do have Robux, I might just like, might just buy some money, I guess. I'll just do some races. I've got, what's that, like 200 minutes worth of 2x cash left, so I'll probably just buy that. But yeah, fair enough. Game passes, etc. I don't have these. I'm not buying that either. But anyway, so this is one of the cars that we get, which is the Audi RS3. The audio is so loud. Let's turn that down a sec. There we go. I don't know why it's so slow starting off though. Pretty slidey. It does look quite cool though. I want to see what this car looks like, so I'm going to take a couple photos of it. Looks quite cool. But yeah, let's get into the Corvette C3 or Stingray or whatever. Oh, wait, hold on, let's say that idle. That sounds quite nice actually. Yeah, that's nice. Right, anyway, let's just give it a little test drive. I like that it has pop-up headlights though, that's quite cool. Let's pull in to the garage and let's just give it some light customization. Nothing too crazy, but just give it, lower it a bit. I'm just painting it some random colours for no reason whatsoever. Yeah, I don't know why I wanted it green. I just did, so yeah, it looks alright. Let's get our RS3. I'm going to do more of a customization on the RS3. Pretty sure this is an RS3 sedan. Oh, wrong game. I thought it was Midnight Chasers. No, Midnight Racing Tokyo. I pressed the wrong parking brake. Oops. Yeah, I don't know. There is something weird going on with this car though. It's really slow. But yeah. Slam the rear. And if I front up to like there. Fair enough. Yeah, we've got kits now. That does look quite cool. Yeah, I saw the body kit not add, I don't know how to describe it, but like it was telling me that they've just added Bodykits to the game, so I thought I'd check it out. I've got the free wheels, which is good, so I don't even have to pay for these. These look quite nice. Police lights. I can't tell if that's new or not. I can't say I recognise it. It's not like something that no games have done before, sort of thing, so you never know. Yeah, just max it out as you do. Yeah, and then we'll just give it some paint as well. I don't know why, but that just gives the paint such a cool effect. So I'm going to go with that. I don't know what's going on with the speedo though. Let's give it a little respawn. Hopefully that fixes whatever was going on down there. There it is. Yeah, if you do a proper launch, then it's good. There you go. Let's do that again. Yeah, this car's actually quite nice. Once you get it all right, it performs really well. Yeah, that is sick. Anyway, that will be all for this video. If you guys did enjoy, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.